Hello student. So today we are going to do the exercise of textbook of lesson number 2, parallels and meridians. So first we do missing letter. The first is equator. You write EQUATOR. Second, Tropic of Cancer. TROPICCANCER. Third is Antarctic Circle. ANCTICCIRCLE. Fourth is Tropic of Capricorn. TROPICCAPRICORN. Fifth, Antarctic Circle. ANTARCTICCIRCLE. Sixth is Prime Meridian. PRIMEMERIDIAN. Okay children, so now next checkpoint, write T for true or F for false. First is the east-west line drawn on the globe are called parallel. This is true. All parallels are of the same length. No, this is false. The North Pole lies in the southern hemisphere. False. The Tropic of Cancer lie in northern hemisphere. This is right, true. Next, we are going to do tick the correct answer. First, the two endpoints of the Earth's axis are called. Answer is pole. Tick on pole. Second, the part of the Earth above the equator is called the northern hemisphere. Third, if parallels are drawn at intervals of 1 degree, there will be 181 parallels. Fourth, the prime meridian passes through a place called Greenwich. Fifth, to locate a place on a globe, we must know its latitudes and longitudes. Next children, complete the series. Tropic of Cancer is to 323.5 degree north. Tropic of Capricorn is 23.5 degree south. Equator, latitude. Meridian, third is meridian. Fourth, South Pole. Fifth, Arctic Circle. So do it in your textbook. So now children, we are going to do the question answer of this lesson number 2. So you have to write it in your SS notebook. First question is, what is a parallel? Write 3 features of parallels. Answer, a set of circles is drawn on the surface of the globe. These circles run from east to west. These are called parallels. The 3 features are: first, all the parallels are complete circles except from the North Pole and the South Pole, which are points. Second, the length of the parallels decreases as we move away from the equator and toward the poles. Third, all parallels are located at an equal distance from each other. Next question, how do we number parallels on a globe? Answer is, we start from equator and mark it as 0 degree latitude. The other parallels are marked from 0 degree to 90 degree. Apart from their value, the parallels are also marked N for north or S for south according to their location. Question 3. What is the meridian? Write 3 features of meridian. Answer. Imaginary lines running from north to south are called meridians. The 3 features of meridians are: all meridians are of the same length. Second, the maximum distance between any 2 meridians is at the equators. Third, meridians are used to measure distances in the east-west direction. Fourth question, how can we locate a place on a globe? Answer is, to locate a place, we must know the values of its parallel or latitude and its meridian or longitude. The point at which the parallel and the meridian cross each other is the location of that place. So now children, thank you for watching. Write it in your notebook.